Welcome to the intro training exercises for Sharperlight and Business Central. This is exercise 3. Please follow the video carefully and if needed, use the PDF listed within the description for further information. Exercise 3 has 4 parts, A to D, covering filters, lookups, and shortcodes in further detail. In part A, we will focus on inputting filter parameters. Part B, we will look at filter lookup usage. In part C, we go over date filters, and part D, we show date filter offsets. To start exercise 3A, we want to define an account range for the field GL account number. Filters have filter parameters that can be single value or a from and to range. Click to highlight the from value for GL account number and press the F2 button, which is a shortcode to edit the filter value. Change the range to be from 6100 to 6995, then preview the query. You should see that the account range returned is between 6100 and 6995. For exercise 3B, we'll interact again with the filter GL account number, but this time let's use the lookup. The lookup window will display available values, but will also show the current from and to value. Scroll up and double click the account number 1000. Clicking only once will only highlight a row and not do anything. After you double click, you should see the from value update to 1000. Scroll down and double click 2999. The to value should update. Press OK to confirm your selection. Your filter value should now update and show 1000 to 2999 for GL account number. Preview the query, but we should find no records return. This is because of another filter, income balance, as it is set to filter on income statements, and our dataset has no records that are income statements between the accounts 1000 to 2999. Return to the query, and using the lookup on income balance, change its filter value to all, which allows for all value. Preview the query again, and we should now see values as the income balance filter is no longer filtering out records. For exercise 3C, we're going to define a date range for the filter posting date. We'll quickly change the filter range of GL account number back to 6100 and 6995. For posting date, type in the dates 2021 07 01 and 2022 03 31. We'll use the format of year, month, day, as this is the international format. Otherwise, you can input based on your regional settings. Preview, and you should see the records for the account range of 6100 to 6995, but also the amount sum only takes into consideration transactions that fall between 2021 07 01 and 2022 03 31. Return to the query, and using the lookup on posting date, we can select in the calendar 2021 03 01. Click OK. This is how you can select a date using the lookup calendar. Filtering dates poses some challenges because operational reporting needs to handle weeks, months, financial years, and preferably all driven from one input date. Date filtering in Query Builder can handle a myriad of scenarios, and many of the requirements are handled using the settings available in the date options. For exercise 3D, open the lookup on the posting date. Tick the box for all dates. Hit OK and notice the posting date value is now all, which is an override on the query and can be typed directly into the from value for the filter. Previewing the query, we can see results with no limitation on posting date. Opening the lookup on posting date again, the all dates tick box is now unticked. Press OK and now you should see the filter values for posting date are updated to date, which returns the current date. we can make an alteration to have a meaningful date range. Open up the lookup for posting date, and for the From value, click on the drop-down list for options. The list shows all available offsets you can perform on a date, and also allow for the offset to apply before or after the input date. Select Start of Month after offsets and press OK. You should see the From value update to Date AMS for Date after month start. This means the posting date will return a range from the beginning of the current month to the current day of the month. If you are interested, the exercise PDF has more information on the date option offsets. This concludes the training for exercise 3 for Business Central. For more information and in-depth explanations, please refer back to the training PDF.